Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be talking to you about WordPress website designer freelancer. So if you're looking to start up a WordPress website business whereby you become a freelancer, like a WordPress website designer freelancer, if you're looking at becoming a freelancer and you're trying to get becoming a professional in WordPress, yeah, this is what this video is exactly for you, because there are lots of guys making a killing with this particular business you see here. There are a lot of people doing it and they're making a living from it. So I want to show you guys, and I want to give you guys, I want to do this, make this to become a tutorial whereby you guys get to learn exactly how it is done and how you can start up and how you can do yours. Now, if you already know how to build WordPress site, then it's gonna be easy and quick for you, because you already know how to design and you already know how to make it work. But if you don't know how to build WordPress websites, then probably I'm going to leave a link in the description whereby you can get a video. I'm going to put it, so if you don't know how to design WordPress but you want to learn, because this course is going to show you how to set up. I'm going to show you the steps you need to take, how you can make money as a WordPress website freelancer. Now, so you can check the link in the check the description. You'll see the link directing you to a video that will show you how you can build WordPress sites. Now, that's that. And then if you stay to the end of this video, I'll be giving you a free course. I'll be showing you a way to be able to get ads that's gonna make you money, whereby every day you can get clients daily. You can get clients, but there are steps to take. You can't just go in and start running it whatever way you like. There's a pattern and there's a system to follow. There's a strategy you must follow. So that's what I'm trying to give you guys the strategy here. So please go along with me, guys, and as we move on in this very tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come into Fiverr, because this is one of the largest freelancing sites whereby people come in to do all kind of works and all of that. So once you come into Fiverr, you come in here, you set up your gig. Now you sign up, you set up your gig. Now if you can, that is just easy. Once you open a new account, if you want to start selling, I will request you open a new account. So from there you can easily set up your gig. It's just it's as simple as opening an email. So I don't want to go into that because of this. I don't want this to be too lengthy, but it's just simple, it's straightforward. So once you do that, now okay, but probably I'll okay, let's move on. Because so you can get help. There's help. If you don't know how to create set up a gig, you can check the FAQ, Fiverr FAQ. You see they'll show you how to create a gig there. So it's very simple. You don't need to worry about that. Now, once you create your gig, before you create your gig, you have to come into Fiverr. Now, if you're already a website designer, you come into Fiverr and then you look for people that already have gigs on that same on WordPress website. So if you check, as this I'm coming, I want to check, I want to go do something here. Okay, now as you can see, I did a search on Fiverr for WordPress and I came up with some of this. There are some people selling their services that they're going to build a website for you for as low as $10, some 20, some 30, some 40, some 50, some 70. You can see 70 here, you can see 100 here, you can see 170 here, you can see 250 here. So I would suggest, if you want to start up a WordPress business, I'll suggest you make sure that your service starts from 150 upwards or 200 upwards. That's the way you can make money you can make real good money as a WordPress designer. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So let's go on. So the first thing you want to do is you come into Fiverr, you search for people that are doing gigs. Some are selling for higher than this, and if you find those that are selling higher than this, all you just do is just copy their templates. That's what you do. Now you come in here, let's look at this guy. This guy is selling for he's doing his, let me open a new tab so that we can just visit his page. So look at this guy. This guy is basic is 225, while the standard is 700. And now the basic is just, let's take it easy one after the other. Now the basic is 225, and web design as a simple design a simple page website having 4 sections. Now let's check for the functionality. Now look at what it's doing here. Now it's just giving us just a simple one page website, one plugin for this price, which is crazy much. Now, but it's okay. There are people willing to pay for it because it's a professional business website, not just an ordinary website. Now he's doing the 750 for 5 pages, custom designs, responsive design, and all of that. Now the premium is 1,245, and it's giving them 10 pages. Now this guy is so nice. You can come in here, copy his template, look at everything he's doing. You go with his pattern, and you can see this guy has 2 orders in queue. See, he has 2 orders in queue. That means he's selling. And for this guy to sell, I can bet you that he's running ads. That's the way he's getting his clients. Because if you don't, with such a high price, if you don't run ads, you won't get high-paying clients. Because people that are willing to buy at such a high price are people that have seen your ads. They believe, oh, you are a professional, and you know what you're doing. So look at 2. He has sold 46 of this. Now, if you times that, 46 times 250 times 224. For this 224, you see how much is made on this gig alone. So, if you follow this guy up, follow his system, follow his plan, and then from there you create your gig exactly like his. Now you can make your price 250 or 200. The price will not be the same, but the same thing is doing. But I'll advise you now. Another thing you can do to make yours more exciting is you can offer to create social pages for them for free, along with the price you're charging them. You create social pages for them. You can help them get followers. To some of the pages and add some content in the pages for them. Design their pages for them, and then you can, if you're good with SEO and you're good with YouTube SEO, you can help them rank, help them create 3 or 5 videos and help them rank it there. Now, when you're paying you for that money, because by the time you rank their videos for them, their video will be bringing them traffic monthly. Now that's free traffic. You're also giving them traffic, also free traffic, also for the service you're offering them. So it's a good way to start up your business. But once you set up your gig, now for you to be able to move forward, for you to be able to make money out of this very system I'm showing you. Now, if you set up if you don't want to do, now there's another twist to this. You may not want to do the job yourself. Okay, let's go back. You may not want to do this job yourself. You may want to maybe you don't have time. For those of you that are busy, you can set this up as a part-time business. And then once you get this job, once you run the ads, you set up your gig, you run the ads, you can come in here. Once someone pays you 200 or 300 to build a website for them, you can come in and get someone to do it for you for $20 or $30. And then once the person does it, you can supervise it. Or if they don't do it perfectly as you want, once they just create it for you, you just supervise the job, and you can add your twist. You can just put a little bit of touch to it and make it look more professional, make it look more perfect. So you're not actually doing the whole job yourself, because it may be time taking, or you may not have the time. So you can just get someone to do it for you, and then just sit back. Someone does the job for you, and when they give you back the job, you can just deliver the job you just create the social pages, and then you deliver the job to the client. So that is what you can do to make this very, very good. So I'm gonna be putting a link in the description. So if you want to go through that means whereby you don't have to do the work yourself, you don't have to do all the work yourself. All you just have to do is just to set up a gig, set up your advertisement. And I talked about the course I'll be giving you. So let's get through this, then I'll talk about the course I'm giving you for the ads. So how to place ads, how to run ads, because I'm giving you a full course. The course I'm giving to you is almost like, I think it's almost $300 or $400, for you to be able to that course. So what I'm giving it to you guys for free, so you guys can get started and you guys can become a website, a WordPress website designer freelancer. Um, so that is that for that. So okay, I'll be putting a link in the description, um, a Fiverr link whereby you can sign up. Now, if you sign up through my link in the description, you get $20. You get 20% off your first purchase. Like you can have someone, you can set up your gig and have someone, and you can set up your gig. Once you get a client or you get two clients, you can get someone to do the job for you. You can tell them what you want, instruct them. You can give them. And I want to tell you, you have to use premium themes. You have to use premium themes. You have to use premium plugins so that your website will look professional. Like you can use Elementor Pro. You can buy Elementor Pro. I don't think it's up to $100 or so. Yeah, it's going to be up to $100 for the theme, so you can buy that, and that will be able to do anything you want to do for yourself. It's a professional theme, makes your website looks amazing and solid. So now going to the part of okay, now getting to the part of the ads, because after setting up your gig, and once you set up a gig, if you don't have traffic coming in, there are if you don't have traffic coming in, your gig is just going to be sitting on Fiverr, and you're not going to nobody will know your gig is there, because there are thousands of gigs on Fiverr for what you're doing. But for you to be able to get your own clients, you need to go and advertise on Google. So that's why I said, for you to before you can add advertisements to your gig or to your service, your price point must be high. You must be charging around $200, $300, so that by the time you run ads, you can be able to pay for your advertisement cost, and then you also have you also be able to make profit also. So this is Google Ads. You can also come into Google and you can sign up. Sorry, this is a French page I'm on, but once you come into Google, you can come in here, you sign up, and then once you sign up, you'll be given you can then create your ad. So for the course I told you guys that I'll be giving you guys, you can check. I'll be putting a link to the course in the description of this video, please. So check. I'm putting three description in. One, the link for the video. If you're not if you're not good at WordPress, the link there, you'll see the link there for you to learn how to design WordPress. If you want to learn how to do that, I want to do this business because it's business that people are living on. You can see this guy has just two. I'm just showing you how he's making his money. Now he has two queues. Now some people will come on Fiverr and then they set up gigs and expect that traffic will come. No, it doesn't come that way. You have to run ads to get clients that will be willing to pay, because not everybody that sees your gig is willing to pay that much for the gig. So Google, if you search on Google, there's a way you create your ads. People will be willing to pay you, because when they see what you're offering and you see the description of your ads, they'll be willing to pay you for your service. They're willing to pay that amount you're charging them to create a website, a WordPress website for them. So now I'll be putting a link to the to this course, to the Google Ads course, in the description. So please check the description, and then please, if you have not signed up to you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting content on how you can make money online, how you can start up a business online, how you can market online, how you can do so many things, helpful tips. I'll be posting helpful tutorials on how to help you guys, on how to help you grow your business, and how to help you become better. So please subscribe to my channel, and then turn on the notification bell, so that I'll send you guys I'll send you guys so that you guys can get notified whenever I post a new video. So that will be all for this video. Please guys, check the description link in the description. Please sign up through my link, the Fiverr link I'll have there. Sign up to the Fiverr link so you can get 20% off your first purchase, and then also check out the bonus I'm giving to you guys. It's the bonus course. The Google Ads course is there, so you guys check it out, and then from there you can start setting up, making money on Fiverr, and you can start living your life and living your dream. So that will be all for this video. Now I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.